Hey Ninjas! In this video we'll go over a quick overview of Active Directory user management. Active Directory user management allows technicians to perform user management activities on their AD controller from directly within the Ninja console. In order to manage users, you'll need to navigate to the AD domain controller in Ninja. You can do this by navigating to the Search tab, selecting additional filters, and then Active Directory controllers. Note that Ninja will automatically detect when a device is a domain controller. Next, click on a device from the search list. In the device view, hover over Tools and click Active Directory from the resulting drop-down menu. In the new window, users in this directory will be displayed on the left-hand side. The search bar can be used to find specific users in the event that there are a large amount of accounts. Selecting a user will display their account summary in the middle of the screen. From the panel on the right-hand side, a technician can perform several actions on a user, including enabling or disabling the account, resetting the password, requiring a password change, and much more. Multiple users can also be selected at the same time. When multiple users are selected, a technician's actions will be limited to disable, enable, and reset password. And that's all there is to it, Ninjas. For more information about Active Directory user management, check out the documentation in the dojo.